Buying and selling cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency basics latest news. In a moment I will reveal to you the easiest most effective way to make money trading cryptocurrencies. But first, regarding buying and selling cryptocurrencies. As with any investment, success in trading cryptocurrencies depends solely on the investor and that he knows what he is doing. Now, to help you invest in cryptocurrencies the right way, here's an outline featuring the 4 essential steps that will help you turn your cryptocurrency endeavor into a highly profitable one. 1. Pick a platform to trade on. Just like with stocks or forex, to invest in cryptocurrencies you need a place where these coins are traded. In the cryptosphere world, those platforms are called exchanges. To commence, you will need to register and put some funds into your account, and then start buying and selling crypto. Such websites can have different terms of service, and their trading platforms may differ a lot, so it is best to research and go through several reviews of exchanges. This will help you to choose a venue that suits you best. There are currently about 200 cryptocoin exchanges with a total daily trade volume of about $4 billion. Though not all of these marketplaces are reliable. Situations where crypto traders lose their money due to the exchange being hacked happen on a regular basis. There are also some cases where exchanges suddenly terminate their operations with little explanation, leading to the complete loss of funds by investors. So it is crucial to choose a trusted exchange. In the beginning, it is a good idea to go with the biggest and most well-known options. 2. Choose a cryptocurrency wallet. As there are lots of exchanges, investors have to transfer funds between them somehow, and also have a place to store their assets. Cryptocurrency wallets are tools that allow you to store and send crypto coins back and forth. Currently, there are several types of crypto wallets: mobile, desktop, hardware, and paper. To get started, you will need a mobile or desktop hot wallet, connected to the internet. Almost all cryptocurrencies nowadays have their official wallets, such as the Bitcoin Core Wallet, Ethereum Wallet, or MyEther Wallet, Litecoin Qt, and Dash Core. Multi-currency wallets are also available. When you've chosen the wallets you'd like to use, you are all set and ready to start investing. 3. Find sources of information. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile assets whose prices can go up and down in large percentages in a few short hours. Such moves can be triggered by multiple events, so a crypto trader must constantly monitor market information. Before putting your money into a coin, it is a good idea to study the asset. One of the best tools for this research is CoinMarketCap, a website where you can find information on every coin and token available. The data includes capitalization, supply, trade volume, etc. Crypto Compare is another useful site for this sort of data. 4. Use tools to manage your investment and reduce risks. By now you are equipped with some knowledge and instruments for trading. However, compared with the fiat investment process, there are still some elements missing. First of all, fiat investors can use stock indices for benchmarking when building their portfolio. S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite are perfect examples of such benchmarks. They allow investors to trade whole sectors easily, and manage complicated portfolios in a straightforward investment, reducing the risks and volatility of the portfolio. You need to find similar tools for the crypto market. For example, CryptoIndex 100, CIX 100, is an automated index calculated by a machine learning algorithm, which analyzes cryptocurrencies. This tool allows traders to reduce volatility and risks for their portfolios, as well as the cost and effort inherent in investing in multiple coins, resulting in substantial savings in trading. After the portfolio is built, you can track coins via specialized apps, such as Blockfolio or Delta, which provide valuable information. Using such tools also enhances productivity. That's it for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. And now, what is the easiest, most effective way to make money trading cryptocurrency? The easiest way to make money is to trade cryptocurrencies at an online platform, in the following unique way. First, you find out what the most successful traders are doing. Then you copy their trades, while writing on their success. But how can we know what the successful traders are doing? Well, there are a few online platforms that will allow you to see exactly what the most successful traders are doing. This method of trading is very simple and easy, even 10 years old can do it. To see how you can take full advantage of this profitable method, while avoiding the common mistakes, simply follow the link in the description, that is below this video.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video,